Ever found yourself entranced by the beautiful melody of the Cupid song, yearning to play it on the piano, but feeling overwhelmed by its complexity? Fear not, for today we delve into a simple, step-by-step guide that will have you playing this enchanting tune with ease. First things first, familiarize yourself with the key of the song. The Cupid song is predominantly played in the key of C major. This key includes the notes C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. It's a clean, no sharps, no flats key that's a great starting point for beginners. The song begins with a delightful lilting melody that starts on middle C. You'll play this note along with E and G, forming a C major chord. This chord will be your anchor throughout the song, the home base that you'll keep returning to. The melody then dances up to the D and the F. You'll play these notes with the A, forming a D minor chord. This is the second chord of the song and provides a melancholic contrast to the cheerful C major. Next, you'll move down to B and D, played with G, to form a G major chord. This chord adds a layer of depth and complexity to the song, creating a rich, full sound. From there, the melody winds its way back to the C major chord, completing the first section of the song. Repeat this sequence, and you'll have mastered the main melody of the Cupid song. For the chorus, you'll need to learn a few more chords. Starting with the A minor chord, you'll play the notes A, C, and E. This chord brings a touch of sadness to the song, a longing that's integral to its theme. Then you'll move to the F major chord, which includes the notes F, A, and C. This chord adds a sense of resolution to the song, a moment of peace amid the emotional turmoil. Next up is the G major chord, reintroducing that depth and complexity. And finally, you'll return to the C major chord, bringing the song full circle. To make the song your own, experiment with different rhythms and dynamics. Play around with the tempo, speed it up or slow it down, add some volume variations, play some notes louder, some softer. These small tweaks can make a world of difference, transforming the song from a simple melody into an expressive, emotive piece of music. In summary, the key to mastering the Cupid song lies in understanding its structure. Start by learning the C major, D minor, and G major chords for the main melody. For the chorus, add in the A minor and F major chords. Remember to practice slowly, focusing on accuracy before speed. And most importantly, feel free to add your own personal touches to make the song truly yours. The process might seem daunting at first, but with practice, patience, and persistence, you'll be playing the Cupid song with confidence and flair. So go ahead, take that first step, and unlock the magic of music.